needs to stop being ixoki. Umseleku uyiphiqiphiqi. Umseleku, he's the one that's messing up isithembu sakhe ngokuthi akathembekile kuyiphiqiphiqi lexoki. He's the one oxova abafazi bakhe.
Uthando nesithembu pre-finale episode asana inobandi toxic. For me this episode did not do it. I don't know, last weekend bekusiliwa uMacele noMakhumalo nje bekukuningi bekusenzeka. This week sana sipholile sisoshabeni sitya inyama yebrayi kumnandi kuyahlekwa nje kuthethwa ngendaba zakudala. I don't know, I need drama, I need something, give me something to work on, make me cry. This is pre-finale episode, tomorrow is the last episode. So sana ndipholile, maybe bafuna si detach a bit. Asana meanwhile nje Uthando Nesithembu this episode lungavivanga.
Uthando Nesithembu episode 30. There's something that Bob Mseleku does that makes him an instigator, honestly. So he's sitting with Usamge, he's telling her that so one of my wives said that you need to be careful of the way you speak, you and Macele. Sort of basically you guys speak as if you're in a pedestal in a way, because so you remember last season Macele, some get a conversation, Macele was like, I should be cool, the fact that you can shake these tables and make these wives uncomfortable, a conversation around those lines. And then Bob Mseleku said that one of the wives was not comfortable with how Macele and Usamge spoke. My take is, sir, if you're not happy with how Samge spoke, rather address her as her husband and say, listen, Makwela, I feel like these are my wives. You shouldn't speak like this about my wives. Instead of him saying, one of my wives, that is instigating, and you're giving Usamge reasons to hate these wives. Whereas if you're not happy with her conduct or anything that she's saying, just say it and say, girl, I'm not happy about this. Because now you are further driving a wedge between these wives. Even if there was potential of Usamge being accepted, or even Samge liking these women, she's not going to like this woman because she's just going to feel like these women are on my case. For example, because I've said this has been a reoccurring, this has been like a pattern this season, whereby Bob Mseleku would go to Makwela and be like, you know what, Umakhumalo said that you posted this, or people said that you were posting this. Now Samge feels as if I'm being watched here by these wives. Whereas it's either you keep quiet or you come correct, and Samge and say, girl, I'm not happy with this. These are my wives. You shouldn't say this and that. And also confront Macele as well. You get me? Because I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. So Umangwabe is sitting with her sister, just explaining, in fact, using big words to explain her current situation in her marriage. And I'm sitting there, I'm just like, girl, your sister seems to be someone who believes in marriage, someone who believes in men, someone who believes that the fact that they convinced you to stay. At this point, you must stop consulting, make a decision. For me, in everything that is happening, again, I still repeat, I'm not happy with how Bob Mseleku is always dragging Mangwabe's son in, especially last week when he was sitting with his children. He then says, oh, Mangwabe does not want to accept my child, but I accept her. How could you say such in front of your kids? Then it means your kids will never take Mangwabe's son serious or regard Mangwabe's son as their sibling. Because how could you say such? I'm sure it's not easy when your stepfather or stepmother constantly makes you feel like you're an inconvenience. And now, in a way, these kids, they'll never respect Mangwabe's son, honestly, because I don't know, it feels like, when Baba Pela is giving you space, man. It was amazing to see family Kamayeni and the Yeni sisters. Move up, Ronakas, we've got the Yeni sisters now. What made it so refreshing to see them? It's because we don't usually see them. Because there's something about familiarity. Too much, if you're too much in our screens, we ended up not seeing value in you. So whereas, if be rare, man, like, And I think that, I'm sorry, I'm definitely gonna compare. Whereas we see them, and at some point we're not gonna give them respect because we see them, and whenever we see them, they're always throwing shade to other wives. You get me? Whereas Mayeni, they're just calling Musa out on his own stuff. You get me? And it has nothing to do with other. They're speaking about his relationship with his wife and where they come from. Go to, hey guys, you guys come far. You know, they're not making reference to other wives, and I like that. You get me? And we also got to learn ukuthi Mom Joyce, Musa's mom, loved Mayeni, and probably, yes, of course, Musa loves Mayeni, but I think whatever that happened, he will always bring her home because he knows that this is a woman that my mom personally loved. You get me? And I'm sure Joyce saw some qualities Mayeni. You know, those qualities that make sometimes Musa hate Mayeni. Those qualities are probably, your mom knows what's best for you. The problem with Joyce was like, you know what? I think my son needs a femme woman like this, a woman who doesn't take nonsense, so that he can be able to build. You get me? So some of those qualities, I'm sure Mom Joyce saw those qualities Mayeni and was like, you know what? This woman is actually perfect to become a wife to my son.
Nina, benditheni kuni ngalantombazana kalwandle ingenambeko. Umseleku naku ephinde buyo kwesibini round 2 sisi uthengene eminyango akanyakazi uyambona uyangena akanyakazi sofeni uhleli kudunqa. Abo ipregnancy ayisosigulu kalo. Udunqo aphinda buliswe ehleli phansi again. Umtheleku andimva uba uthini khona into ayithetha apha kuye uyanqwala inhloko sisi. Kunani ukuthi eyebo ewe baba andiyazi baba kuba khulunywa njani ewe tata ewe baba uyanqwala la nto we dwaqalala abantwana bethu abawathandi amakhwenkwe ke ngelo xesha nakwehlele emzini ixumbululu lenyoka ebonwe ngumangwabe engumacele eyoyikwa ngumseleku uthi umangwabe umseleku xa ibona umacele vele ngathi bona inyoka sisi akumdaka kuyalungiswa ke pha just because kuya renovate doesn't mean awunokwesula uhleli pha abawathanda amakhwenkwe nemizi yabantu abantwana bethu abasixakileyo kwethu imizi bayohamba ngamaxumbululu amaqeleku ehagwana kweminye imizi abantwana bethu bangafuni ukwenza nto nanke apha mbeko dololo dudulu yo andingedikwa emzini wam sele kunibane ndifika kukho uhagwana othile ongafuni ukwenza nto. Moving right along, umakhwela nomsweleko yenini umakhwela uyazithandela kumseleko andifuni nova bendikade ndimtyhola ndisithi you know ba hayi ubhaliwe apha shem you can see you know bana she is in love and ndiyayithanda indlela shem I'm treating ngayo umseleko kulantu ba respecter. I know uyafuna utshata but I think she gotten to a point whereby she needs to wait and she's doing be matured about this kule episode nsando ibukela and nomse yo ndinazo nendawo zimsizelayo nikhe nimbone kanqona inhloko ngathi nazi ziyamka kukhona ukubane kumka umangwabe aqale yathethwa nguMakhumalo last week. uMakhumalo esithi hey lo udlisiwe lo uyagula lo akunomnye esithi hey ngathi azithi dado bawo wonke umfazi uthi ngathi azikhudada azithi dado bawo endodeni hayi no inoba ikhona incwadi. Oh, and then the Mayeni family, Oshabeni, umseleku, umayini begodukile ke. So umseleku went there to visit inkosikazi yakhe. The family was so warm. Nice abantu bakulo Mayeni, they love umseleku. I think that's one of the other reasons why umayini can never get to leave that place because uyathanda shem kulo Mayeni. Sabona notata kaMayeni and they had a lovely time kube kubraywa wabaphathela utywala like he was such a good in-law. Ndiyabona uba inoba uyathandwa yo gquma le family kaMayeni zeza family sisuba uba uyathenga ezi uzoba ngoyena ke mkhwenyana and then they spent a lot of time phayana bekumandi nyani. Kwaphinda kwavela ntona zishomi zami it was nice umsele kushem uyatshintsha kancinci ingathi it's coming to his senses ngokwenza izinto the right way. Mangwabe ke wabe phumile nodade wabo babela ke uba kwakuphume nosisi wakhe omdala. Usisi kaBangwabe uyabona ba ungumntana wala sisi awusoze ubuye emzini noba uyathanda noba uthandi. Uma ngwabe kuba ngakhalaza athi la sisi hayi kaloku bekusuppose banemkhaphile. Uma ngwabe uthi ebebizwe stage kubhuti wakho asamkhapha no aka entertain tula hayi kusuppose nemkhaphile uthi no yasi abi hayi ngaboyithatha nimom protector yoni ngoba ngabe mama bakudala sisi yabona besise ngaba baba kho kwamtshati unophela sisi uba ngabeka le ubam ngwabe hayi kaloku uphangela kwa health uba uzaba ne-depression ne-anxiety uzolungisa pha emsebenzini yema nomama kuba ngabekwa le ubekeka kubambelela insimbi ndiqhoma in this world ngeke kokadivorce uba abazali bebeje bonke uba ngathi uba ngwabe ndiyatshaya emzini uthi babelela kodwa ikutshisayo up. But I love
one thing about Mangwabe is all bark but no bite. I think the only time I'll ever believe her ukuthi she's done with this marriage is if I see a statement on her social media, on the show itself, to say ukuthi uMangwabe has now separated from Umusa Mseleko, etc. Because wow, Sisi, like you are going on and on and on, but I don't see you doing anything about it. I don't see you packing bags. I don't see you consulting lawyers. Like, give us something. Anyway, welcome back to yet another episode review of Uthando Nesthembu season 9. We are on the second last episode. We were, rewarded with an hour special. The same is also going to happen tomorrow as well, seeing that it's the final episode. And I have a lot to say regarding tonight's episode, even though I know there was quite a lot happening. I missed out on like the last 7 minutes of the episode, and now I can't even find it on DSTV stream. But anyway, so back to Mangwabe, right? I've just been thinking about Mangwabe's situation and realizing what frustrations are similar to Isgatobile. Futhi I feel like Utobile is getting it far worse than Mangwabe is, right? But I've come to also just conclude that the reason why these two have each other's backs is because they're experiencing something that is new to them, right? Something that they may have seen the other wives actually experiencing, but it didn't really occur to them Uguti it would one day happen to them. And I recall making a video, like I can't remember whether it was last year or this year still, where I said Uguti, one thing about Isthembu, don't ever think Uguti you're the exception. Don't ever think just because Umusha that the odds are in your favor. The odds might be in your favor for the first 5 minutes, but the reality is that man is gonna go move on, do his own thing, because one thing about Isthembu, as Ubafanam Thembu once said, ati asakiwa ngeqiniso. And that's exactly what we're seeing, guys. Like Thembu asakwanga ngeqiniso, and it's just unfortunate that wife number 3 and wife number 4 are really finding out in the worst way. Another thing that also caught my attention is how the conversation that Mangwabe was having with her relative, I can't recall whether it was her aunt or her sister, but she mentioned Uguti, Umusa Shinjile, and to me, the words that she also used implied Uguti either Udlisi or Uloyi, which is similar to what Umakumala once said. Now, even with that happening, my thing is nina nestopwa ubani ukuyohlola nthole kahle kahle ukuthi lo muntu wenziwe yini ukuthi act so. Why do you guys not believe that this man is just being himself? Just because this is the one time where you guys are getting to see another side of this man, and automatically you think ukuthi thakathiwe, because one of the things that Umangwabe mentioned was just how Umusa gets shaken up at the mention of Umacele. And then previously Utobile also alluded to the fact that, maybe Musanje Uloyiwe, and a lot of us assumed that, well, ever since number 5 came in, put the pieces together. I think everyone's heads were literally headed that direction. Uti, she's pretty much putting suspicion, right, behind a particular individual, which I think is quite reckless and quite wrong, needless to say. Also, guys, hear me out. I feel like yes, some of the wives who are against idea number 5 are very angry, but it's also, you cannot substantiate the energy that they're also giving to Umntwana kaMusa, because Umethuli did nothing wrong. She was literally just a product of the situation between Usamke as well as Umusa. But I just feel like they're still not holding him accountable. I feel like you need to have double the energy for this man, because he's the one that put you guys in this situation. Usamke was fed whatever she was fed, but it's still not sufficient for you guys to actually now go after Umntwanake. And I also have to mention that it was also wrong for Mawande to also mention or to deny Umethuli as her sibling, because whether she likes it or not, they share the same blood, and that's facts. And that's something that I think needs to be talked about, because the child cannot defend herself, cannot speak up, and so for Umawande to have said the things that she said on social media was actually wrong, and also for Umangwabe as well. Go at Umusa for what's happening, but everyone else has nothing to do with that.
Famba Moyen. I want to talk about Umayeni, right? And her family, and them being Oshabeni, right? They were sitting there and they had discussions around Mayeni's marriage, right? In those discussions, they never mentioned other wives. They just mentioned Uti Umayeni was loved by Uthenxma, and even though the family Yaga Mayeni did not agree for Mayeni to be lobolat, she still went and bathed Uthenxma when it was necessary and it was needed. Now, with that said, let's make this a teachable moment. By the way, I'm not into polygamy, nor am a polygamist, nor, Ithandone Sithembu is the only marriage content that we consume that is real, and it's a real novella, or real novella, however they call it, right? Hence, we are making review about it, and I wanted to make this as a teachable moment to see how Mayeni's family did not drag any other woman, did not belittle any other woman, did not give other women names like Macele's family does. Now, this teaches Uguti the bitterness that they believe Mayeni is carrying. She's actually not carrying it. The bitterness is actually carried by the one that came second, which is Umacele, but is now the first wife. This also shows that Umacele knew that Umayeni was loved. Perhaps that could be the friction and the dislike between the two of them. Now, what I liked is that despite the fact that they know Mselegu's flaws, as the in-laws, they accepted him, they were cordial with him, and they had a nice time with him. Not that they don't know how he treats Umayeni, but it could be the boundaries that Umayeni has put around her family. Why am I mentioning this? As married women, it is important we must offload to our family members. They must know what we're going through, definitely in marriage. However, we must tell them, me offloading does not give you a certificate to disrespect my husband. I'm offloading because there's no other area that I'm going to offload to.
I wanted to call out is the incident where Ubaba Mselegu wahlangana noMangwabe ehamba noSamge eningane edlalisa ingane yakhe emotweni, and then she was furious, and then she called uMakhumalo, and Makhumalo called in a video call. They're abusing uMakhwela, and they need to stop it. It's not nice. Umakhwela akayicelelanga. Yes, you don't like Umakhwela, but what you're doing, and I know a lot of people will say, but no, but Dila Nendoda Yabo, they knew very well, especially Umakhumalo knew very well when she was calling a video call Uguti, and Neguno Muntla Pemotweni, and a video call is very loud. She could have made it a phone call where Uguti Usamge anga user, but because she wanted Samge to hear, and then she made it a video call. And again, guys, try and create a safe space for ingane. You can keep your toxicity to each other, fight on Instagram for all you care, for all I care, but let's create a safe space for the kids. Those are just innocent souls, and please, Mangwabe no Makhumalo, fight your man, leave Samge out of it. At this point, Samge, she's 2 kids in, and yeah, at this point there's no going back.
Ngikhulume nalaba bafazi, hayi lento abayenzayo lapha ngiyithandi kanjani. hayi man, hayi bafazi, hey man, sanibonani, hayi ngiyaphila nami, hayi bo, aningichazeleni kahle le i-channel le edlala umzumbe abasibuzi ngani ukuthi thina sifuna ishow ichubeke noma iyekele. Why bayithathela inqumo? Why bayithathela inqumo ngoba phela thina sise-focus manje, sise-focus lapha kustimela ukuthi siyawa istimela noma siyenzani ngoba ngiyabona izitimela ziyaphuma. Yeah.
Mapulesi si awa. Sis. Shashaleza FC. Shashaleza FC. Awa. How ka fukuta? Ha. Utloba butse awa.
Sanibonani sikuthando nesithembu. Welcome. Sinenkinga enkulu in our families, sinenkinga enkulu in our societies as a whole. And namhlanje ngifuna sifike esigabeni sokuvuma, sokunderstanda lokho ukuthi sinenkinga. Uzozibuza ukuthi unokulunga ukukhuluma ngayiphi inkinga manje ngoba sikuthando nesithembu. Sinenkinga yabantu abafana nosisi kaMangwabe. The mentality abanayo, yazi angazi ukuthi bangaki bafethu abantu abashonile abekho namhlanje, because they were told to stay in toxic relationships, they were told to stay in toxic marriages for the sake of the kids. Now I want to come to that. Bazal Sondelan. I'm going to tell you today, and I'm going to tell you umelungizwe kahle. Yabona labantwana ohleli kwi-toxic marriage, uhleli kwi-toxic relationship, ziyabuya lapha mkwabo, wena uthi wenzela bona. You are destroying them. You are destroying those human beings. Ayikho into yakhayo kubona. You are destroying them. Sinalento leyo kucabanga ukuthi abantwana, they can only hear arguments. Abantwana, they absorb tension. Right? Abantwana, they absorb tension yenu.
Episode is how beautiful Umayeni is. Like, whoever did her glam and her makeup, she needs to keep them because she even looks younger than Usamke. And also you can just tell how warm and loving her entire family is. Like, you can understand why it is that she loves spending a time with them and being Oshabi. And also, this is very random, but have you guys ever noticed how uncomfortable the confessional or diary room chairs are? Like, they're always sitting like this, or maybe that could be because of the amount of hours they have to sit there shooting.
Makwela sisi. Tasekhaya. Sondela la. Ngiyakuzwela mina. Angazi ngabanye kodwa ngiyakuzwela mina. Ngoba we need to tell it as it is. Umakwela ukuthi uMakwela is being used by uMseleko. Kuwo wonke amakhosikazi bafethu, yabona nje ukudwa kwaMakwela. Uedelwe nje for selfish reasons. There is no love, no what, no nothing. Umakwela uzele kuzokhiqiza abantwana. Yabona ikho isini engiphathe kabi njengale yasini yakuma diaries. Nkosi yami phuwa Makwela esathi nje usathi ugirl wathi uMseleko uzongimela ke. You're not gonna say anything when amakhosikazi ami lawo awusiyi inkosana lawo semsileni awe markers no. No. Akekho wangakubo amncinze. Ake nisincinzeleni yena bakithi.
Bazana, good morning. I've got flu. I just want to pass this. Is it me or did I hear Mseleko saying Makhumalo helped build those Mzumbe houses? And if I heard him correctly, does that then mean he admits that Makhumalo helped him build houses for his wives? I don't know, guys. Did I hear him correctly or I didn't hear properly? Please let me know.
Musa is a liar, guys. This 1 hour is long, but something stood out. No ways. You see how Matele apparently does not know or was never told to her that this person is naturally a polygamist. hence Makumalo said, Shuti for. Because now he's like going way back when he was in high school, before he even met Mayeni, that he left this other girl because she got into a fight with his other girlfriend, and he left her for that reason, to save the Isitembu situation. It makes sense now why also Mayeni is not number one, because she's not the nonsense type of person. It would have been difficult for her to, like, easily agree to that. And then there's the because Easy Target clearly picked me. Get what I'm saying? So it's like, why is she acting like this? Why is she acting like it's about children and 20 children? Why is she acting like this? Like, why is she... Okay, Makwela also got some screen time today, and to be honest, like, I was looking at her today, she's a very, very beautiful young lady, and I'm struggling to understand or like to read her. Like, I'm struggling to see, like, does she love this person? I know there's a lot of like, like she's young, blah, 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 all of that stuff. But I'm also like kind of like looking at her, and I'm like, I think she genuinely is into mature men. I don't want to lie. The things that make her laugh, like like it's okay. It's a preference, I guess. I mean, she went to school,
Let's discuss Gokflow's business. Musa will never respect Lwandle, and at this point, I think Lwandle has made the best decision by dating Kwezi, because Kwezi will stand up for him. Sinenkinga yokukhuluma, that is not Lwandle's business. Mayeni is your wife, and Mayeni is a mother to Lwandle. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Lwandle, why do you sound so doubtful? What's happening? Now Sestimeleni? Oh, Makhumalo, even if she is not part of the episode, her name will come up. And I'm happy that today she has been vindicated. Remember when Makhumalo said she prepared for the coming of Umayeni, and Musa didn't want to agree to that. She has been vindicated. Makhumalo has been supervising the building of Umzumbe. Tobile, how old were you when you were supervising? Makwela, this is not the Real Housewives of Umzumbe. This is a polygamous relationship, and in this setup, people keep grudges. These jabs you keep on giving, they will come and bite you one day. What do you mean by saying you are in your 20s, unlike who? Unlike who? When production asked you if you had it in you to hate amakhosikazi kaMthombeni, thank God Mthombeni could tell from your deep sigh that you were about to go off track. Umuzi uqiniswa abantu, uma abantu bengekho awuqini. Musa, hey, this man, you keep on disappointing me. Say, you cannot keep on bad-mouthing your wives to other wives. And honestly, do you think uMakhumalo noMangwabe bayamsaba uMacele? Let me tell you a secret, Musa. You're the only one who fears uMacele. And this thing that you have with her, it's not love. It's only fear. Don't twara the tipa, Kabuhaling. Learn from Umangwabe. She's going through the most, and there's lack of support from the family. And what's so sad is that Simpiwe is also being dragged into this mess, and I hope he won't be left with a broken heart. lo uthi lo usaba lo uvela tatazele umsabe ngathi ubona inyoka